folks, we are out here on a river, southern Massachusetts, near the Connecticut border. This is not a very deep river. Just got my new kayak, testing it out. It's the Origami kayak. Gonna go see some cool stuff today, folks. If the river doesn't dry up before then. Thanks for joining. All right, not even 5 minutes in, and there's a giant tree collapsed in the river, and we're gonna have to do a very short portage over that. Here we go. Boys and girls, I am not getting through that one for a portage. Here we go. Oh, it's just a mess back here. Okay. All right, I tell you folks, don't always trust how a river looks on Google Maps, because this looks perfectly clear from the satellites. And you can see, I mean, it's just one fallen tree after another, and it just keeps going. I'm gonna do one more round, because I'm already behind schedule and there's no service. I'm a little worried that my girlfriend's gonna wake up and worry I got killed or something, or died out here. So let's give it one more try and then go from there. Very spooky. Very True Detective Season 1 vibes. It is pretty out here though. Alrighty, and folks, that's why they call it an adventure, not a vacation. I am sweating pretty good here, pretty good workout, But finally made it to the spot where I want to take the kayak out, and then hopefully I'll be able to show you guys some pretty cool shit here in a minute. Stay tuned. Oh boy. That smells terrible. Really smells like sewage. That's fucking great. But we've come too far to turn back now. Folks, as you may have guessed from the title, this is not a kayaking video. This is an Urbex video. So we are out here, I think we're in Connecticut now, across the state line. And I knew that there was an old abandoned cement mill out here, cement factory of some kind. Very, very rusted out. Very cool. We're gonna do a quick explore, get back into the kayak. And we're gonna get the hell out of here. Go dogs. that at some point that was probably worth a lot of money and had some very important function, and this place probably provided jobs for a lot of people. But southern central Massachusetts these days, like a lot of the, you know, outside the cities, is, you know, pretty bad. Manufacturing jobs left a long time ago. And now it's just a graveyard, you know. All right, well folks, that was a short video today, but I appreciate you watching as always. Fun little adventure getting out here. I actually came out here yesterday when I was out doing some regular hiking, just to see if you could just drive right up, but there's a gate way down at the end of this access road. It's locked and has all these threatening signs on it and all that good stuff. So I actually went and looked and saw that this river backed up to it and thought, got a little bit of kayaking experience, handy with a map, let's give it a go. And it ended up being an adventure and it ended up being fun. So we'll call it there. If you enjoyed this, please give me a like. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe. I appreciate that even more. And thank you very much. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.